Hey everyone, it's Mr.Q. Did you know that Qatar sees one of the largest congregations of whale sharks in the world? Discover Qatar organizes the Whale Sharks of Qatar Daily Explorer Tour, where you get to see these majestic creatures up close and personal. If you want to take a tour, it starts at the Ruwais Port. That's where you set sail. It takes 2.5 hours, but then you get to see the whale sharks. How do you know once you get there? Simple. You'll start seeing them swimming all over the place, in their natural habitat, of course. If you're lucky, you'll spot them in the hundreds too. So not only do you get to go and enjoy seeing the whale sharks and hanging out with them, but you also get breakfast and lunch as part of the tour. We had a fantastic time on this tour, and we hope you will too. Yes, pun intended. So to book the tour, visit discoverqatar.qa.